Uphold is an accessible digital money platform supporting a range of assets, including fiat currency. Yes, Uphold does support fiat currency deposits. This is a core part of the platform, allowing users to move traditional money into their account to then trade, hold, or convert into other assets like cryptocurrencies or metals. Uphold supports multiple fiat currencies. Common currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP are consistently supported, along with many others. The specific fiat currencies available for direct deposit or for holding in your Uphold account depends slightly on your geographic location and local regulations. To deposit fiat currency, Uphold offers a few different methods depending on your region. These typically include bank transfers, such as ACH transfers for US users or SEPA and FPS for European and UK users. Bank transfers are often a free and cost-effective way to fund your account, though processing times can vary, taking anywhere from instant to a few business days. Another very common method for depositing fiat is using a debit or credit card. Card deposits are usually instant, which is great for immediate trading. However, they may come with a fee, and credit card deposits may have certain restrictions. You can also use services like Apple Pay or Google Pay in some regions to add fiat to your account instantly. When you deposit fiat, you simply choose the source of the funds and the specific fiat currency card in your Uphold portfolio you want to deposit into. Uphold's interface makes this process straightforward. Keep in mind that Uphold may have deposit limits that vary based on the deposit method you choose, your verification status, and your location. Always check the platform's support pages for the most up-to-date information on supported currencies, fees, and limits for your specific country. You can absolutely deposit fiat currency into Uphold using bank transfers, debit cards, and other digital payment options, providing a direct gateway from traditional finance into the multi-asset platform.